Hello and Namaste everyone. I am Avinash Kumar. Welcome back to AsanaX. In this video, we will be going to learn about Bhujangasana, also known as Cobra Pose. Do not practice this pose if you have recent abdominal surgery, severe back injury, hernia, pregnancy in later stages. If you experience sharp pain, stop immediately. Step 1. Lie down on your stomach. Keep your legs together or hip width apart. Rest the top of your feet on the floor. Relax your body. Step 2. Place your palms beside your chest. Keep your elbows close to your body, chin resting on the mat, and inhale. Step 3. Press gently into your palms. Lift your head first, then lift your chest slowly. Use your back muscles more than your hands. Keep your shoulders away from your ears. Step 4. Look straight ahead or slightly upward. Keep your pelvis and legs on the floor. Breathe normally. Hold this pose for 15 to 30 seconds. Step 5. Exhale slowly. Lower your chest. Then lower your head. Relax completely. Every asana should be followed by its counter pose. After Bhujangasana, a commonly recommended counter pose is Shashangasana, also known as Balasana. Shashangasana gently relaxes the lower back and helps release the muscles that worked during Cobra Pose. Avoid these mistakes: locking the elbows, shrugging the shoulders, overarching the lower back, lifting the pelvis off the floor, holding the breath. Keep your elbows slightly bent. Engage your back muscles. Keep your legs active. Move with your breath. Never force the back bend. Bhujangasana offers many benefits. Strengthens the back muscles, improves spinal flexibility, opens the chest and shoulders, stretches the abdomen, helps improve posture, may help relieve mild back stiffness while practiced correctly. So that's how you practice Bhujangasana, means Cobra Pose, correctly. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Also, if you want to learn Surya Namaskar, please visit here. In next video, we will learn about Ardha Chakrasana. Thank you.